This is Tech Talk HSC El Paso. Hello, I'm Jay Koester, and I have your news and events for this week. After 2 years of working to get collaborative technology installed in 9 rural communities around Southwest Texas, the Gayle Greve Hunt School of Nursing is ready to begin using distance learning techniques to assist rural health education. The technology was purchased with the use of a USDA Rural Utilities Grant in addition to matching funds from TTUHSC El Paso.
In this grant, we provided collaborative equipment. There's a unit at each of the sites and then here in the building to be able to synchronously, at the same time, communicate educational content with them. The equipment also allows us to engage with them asynchronously, so we can record educational topics that they can use almost on demand, if you will, through a video repository system.
The nursing school has partnered with 2 rural hospitals and 7 rural school districts for the program. In addition to education at the schools, the technology at the rural hospitals will allow nurses in those communities to participate in continuing education without the cost and time it takes to travel.
One of the challenges and one of the reasons we included the hospitals in the grant is because the State Board of Nursing in Texas and most states require nurses to have continuing education to maintain their competence and their knowledge base. The idea is that with the currently available content and with partnering with future content presentations, the nurses can stay in community to receive the education that they need to stay competent.
Red Raider Reels wrapped up its 4th season with a showing of Incredibles 2. The season kicked off with Ready Player One and was followed by Wonder, Coco, and Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. This season featured pre-movie comedy sketches offering information about Texas Tech physicians of El Paso. The lighthearted sketches featured different locations around the TTUHSC El Paso campus. If you missed them, you can watch the full sketches on our Facebook page. To watch those sketches and for more information about what's happening on campus, visit facebook.com/TTUHSC EP. Guns up, we'll see you next week.